Welcome to the corner closet, where I show you a couple of pieces that I'm obsessed with and that I'll be wearing a lot this summer. Today, this video is all about Rihoas. Thank you, Rihoas, for sending me these pieces. They are so cute. I've been wearing them on my trip to Spain, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna prove it to you by showing you the little clips that go along. So I received 5 beautiful pieces. Let's start. First one is this beautiful midi, well, not midi, kind of maxi dress. It gets to like half of my shin. It's so pretty, so flattering, and it hits with my skin. I was like a little bronze too. It was just like amazing with the blonde hair. Amazing. And it's like a polyester fabric. The back looks like this, and there's this zip, if you can tell. And I'm telling you, if you wear this, you're gonna give a couple of numbers to a couple of strangers. Just saying. Next up, I have this yellow apricot dress. So beautiful. I wore it in the daytime, but you could definitely wear this during the nighttime. But it's giving so much like sunny vibes. There's a cowl neck. There's a beautiful cowl neck, and the back is completely open. Can you see? And there's a little tie in the middle. Beautiful dress. It looks a little bit see-through inside, indoors, but once you're outside, it's perfect. Like there's no see-through going on. I was a little scared about that, but honestly, perfect. And there's a slit. There's a freaking slit. The slit gives a 10 out of 10 look. It just gives the wow effect. It's a cotton material. It's super breathable, and I was obsessed. I'm gonna wear it probably tonight. I'm going out. I'm probably gonna wear this. The next pieces are a 2-piece set. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna say it again. I'm obsessed. I wanted a piece like this for so long. It's a vest. Beautiful vest. It's like a mix with a scoop neck and a v-neck, which is so flattering. There's a little adjustable belt in the back, and it does all the difference. It's so breathable as well. The fabric is not annoying. I really love the color as well, and I got the shorts that go with it. They're like the perfect length, not too like cheeky, but not too like grandma-y. And they were made for me. I feel like they measured me and they made it for me. I got everything on a size small, by the way, but it looks like this. The waist is just, it's not extendable, but it's just perfect. It looks tailored. Back looks like this. Of course, there are pockets in the front. In the back, it's like a fake pocket, or is it a real one? No, it's a fake one. So beautiful, so elegant. I am definitely gonna wear this again and again and again this summer. It's so easy to throw on and go about your day. And the last piece that I got a little bit for the chiller days. I haven't gotten the chance to wear it yet, but look at this beautiful cardigan. It looks like this. There's button almost up to like down the bottom, but not quite. And the best part is the arms. The arms are a little flared, which makes it look so elegant. And the fabric is so freaking soft. I wish you could just touch it. It's not like a normal rib where it's like, you know, it's just so freaking soft. I feel like I could sleep in this. It's giving pajama material, but like looking so fab. But yeah, you guys, it's so cute. It's a round neck. You can unbutton it to make it look more like cute and casual, or like button it all the way up if you're cold or if you like that look. But I think I'm gonna rock both of them, honestly. I can't wait to wear this. That was my little closet corner. I hope you liked this little video. I am going to show you a bunch of other things that I wore in my trip during all my vlogs. I really wanted to show you these pieces because I just ate them up. Thank you again, Rihoas. I have a promo code for you guys. Of course I do. It's MKeita for 20% off your order. Please let me know if you buy anything from Rihoas. It's actually a good company. I'm not joking. Like, it's really nice. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.